Beacons.ai allows you to create a mini website within your link in bio by adding multiple pages. First, log into your Beacons.ai account and access the dashboard. Click Add Page to create a new section, naming it appropriately, such as Portfolio, Products, or Blog. Populate this page with relevant content: buttons, links, text, images, videos, or embeds. Then, return to your main page and add a navigation button that links directly to this new page. Customize the appearance of the navigation button with colors, fonts, and icons. Finally, use the reorder feature to prioritize your buttons for optimal user flow. Remember to test the navigation on both mobile and desktop previews to ensure a seamless experience. Effective navigation is key to a successful multi-page Beacons.ai link in bio. Use clear and concise button labels that accurately reflect the content of each page, such as Shop Now, Read My Blog, or Contact Me. Customize your buttons with relevant icons from Beacons.ai's extensive library to enhance visual appeal and improve click-through rates. Consider using different button types, like link buttons for external URLs, page buttons for internal navigation, and action buttons for email or phone. Implement hover effects to make buttons more interactive. Prioritize your buttons based on importance and user flow. For example, a shop button might be placed more prominently than an about button. Optimize your buttons with alt text for images and ensure keyboard navigation for accessibility. Regularly analyze button click-through rates to optimize navigation and content placement for better user engagement.